And they're off. Maddie's Odyssey for the lead from the inside. Yes, it's valid. Moves up from the outside now. Takes the lead heading onto the main track. Yes, it's valid. Has the advantage by a length and a half. Maddie's Odyssey backs away down toward the inside. Sweet Limoncello now moves up from in between horses. Changes lanes toward the outside into second. Petite Fuego between horses third. Maddie's Odyssey still up close but fourth. 2 lengths off the lead down toward the inside. Aunt Dell is fifth out in the center of the track. 3 lengths off the lead. Gap of 6 back to Zipper Zapper. Another margin of 3 lengths back to Sing Sing Cinderella, and LA Girl is 8th and last, 22 and 3/5 seconds the time for the opening quarter. Yes, it's valid. Guides the field onto the far turn. Leads Sweet Limoncello by 2 lengths as they come toward the quarter pole. Maddie's Odyssey third toward the inside. Petite Fuego runs along in the 4th position. Still there, now third in between horses. At the quarter pole, they're all chasing. Yes, it's valid, who still leads it by 2 lengths off the final turn. Maddie's Odyssey, Petite Fuego, then Sweet Limoncello fourth up on the far outside. The rest have running to do. Yes, it's valid. Leads it by 3 lengths, by 4 coming to the 8th pole. Maddie's Odyssey second, then Petite Fuego. Zipper Zapper, Sweet Limoncello, Sing Sing Cinderella down the center of the track. Final furlong. Yes, it's valid with Sing Sing Cinderella running on from the outside to second, 16th pole. For Yes, it's valid. Sing Sing Cinderella runs on second. Yes, it's valid. Sing Sing Cinderella. Head bobbing photo finish for the win. Either Yes, it's valid or Sing Sing Cinderella.